Pertti, thanks very much for joining us here at Expo Real. It would be good just to get a view from you, obviously now head of real estate there at Cromwell. So for those who don't know, just give us an update on the company and the strategy.
So I'm a managing director of the European business for Cromwell Property Group. Cromwell Property Group is listed down in Sydney, and we have some 7.7 billion euros assets under management in Australia and also here in Europe. In Europe, we have a presence in 11 countries, and we have been doing some funds in the past. And those funds have come to the end of their life, and we have had a lot of private equity type of mandates recently. And now we are reshaping a business again back towards investment management and fund management business. But also asset management and private equity will play a big part of our future as well.
And in terms of new initiatives, Pertti, what are you looking at there?
Well, I think that everybody is looking for logistics. So we have a core plus logistic fund in the marketing at the moment, and we have a seed portfolio already secured about 9 months ago. It's about 50 million euros portfolio down in Italy, where we have a very good tenant in place. And then we have also committed up to 40 million euros as a co-investment ourselves, because Cromwell is not only manager, we are also investor in the real estate. So we have something like 2 billion euros plus 2 billion euros in direct investments in real estate from our own balance sheet. So that's one logistic product. Then we have here in Germany, we have a light industrial product for German institutions together with our partner here, AIF. And then we have ownership in Polish shopping center and retail portfolio, and we will convert that into the fund or club deal. And the fourth one, which is quite kind of spot on for the ESG, is our pan-European wooden building product initiative that we are creating together with our joint venture partner, 50-50 joint venture partner, Finnish Dassos Capital. And Dassos Capital has a long history to invest into the forest and timber. Plenty of things ongoing.
It's really interesting to pick up on that. Obviously, ESG impact have been, a huge and growing discussion. So just tell me a little bit more about that initiative, particularly in terms of the wooden building side.
Yeah, that is. It's funny how we innovated that product, because Dassos Capital and their founder and CEO, Mr. Olli Haltia, he had considered this wooden building concept for a long time as a natural evolution in their business. And in my days in Aberdeen, I already some 5-6 years ago, I was thinking about to do the wooden building fund from the real estate point of view. And at that time, market was too small, and the engineered wood products they were not developed as they are today. So now we have joined forces, and we will see a lot of opportunities because there is a more engineered wooden products available to build those wooden buildings as well. And a lot of construction companies, developers, they have learned how to build wooden buildings as well in a more efficient way. And you can see it in the Netherlands, in Germany, Switzerland, up in the Nordics, of course, that you can have daycare centers, you can have public buildings, like libraries, you have a residential, up to 80 meters tall residential towers, office buildings, you just name it. And a lot of shops, retailers, retail chains, they are looking to establish new shops, supermarkets that are wooden building, and they are even passive, so that they don't basically consume any energy, but they produce that energy inside the shop. So it's a very interesting opportunity.
Yeah, really interesting initiatives there. Great to catch up with you as ever, Pertti. Thanks very much.
Thank you very much, Richard.